Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Edwin Pagan from AskAComTech.com. I'm one of the technicians and editors of the website, and today we're going to be talking about how to delete files off your computer for good. And now, what a lot of people don't get is that when you actually delete a file off your system, or you need to put it in your recycling bin, or you hit delete, the file isn't really deleted. And I want to give an example of this is like a cargo tank or a cargo ship, and the containers on there have contents inside of it, which would be your files, and outside of that there's a clipboard. And that clipboard has the contents of the actual cargo container. Now, when you delete something on your system, all you're really doing is deleting it off the clipboard saying, hey, this is no longer present, but the item's still there. And that's kind of how your computer handles data. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that when we delete something, it's unrecoverable. So I'm going to be teaching you how to actually delete files off your system with a real simple program so it makes it unrecoverable. And the process that this program really does is it just overwrites and then writes and then overwrites and writes. You're probably thinking, well, how does that work? Well, a good example of that would be, think about a dry erase board, and when you write something on it and you erase it, and you can still see outlines in the back of it, right? You can still see, hey, well, this is kind of what was there. Well, what this program does, it overwrites it and erases it, overwrites it and erases it, overwrites it and erases it, making it harder and harder and harder to recover that file. Now, the program we're going to be using today is called File Shredder, and it's located actually on our website under the software download section. So if you go to AskAComTech.com and you go to software downloads, you'll find the program on there, File Shredder. So let's go ahead and open up that program. Now, simply enough, it's got a very great GUI to it, and simply enough, you can either add files or add folders that you want to delete. In this instance, I want to just delete a simple file off my system. So I'm going to go to Desktop, and then I'm going to go to, let's say my whole life's information is the file that I want to delete. And you'll see there it's located. And I also have shredder settings that I could do as well. And these settings are the type of algorithms that I want to use. If I want to do just one pass, meaning I want one erase and one write, or do I want to do 35, which makes it completely unrecoverable, or technology that's not available to regular consumers would make it impossible to recover. For this one, we're just going to do is use a simple d.o.d standard pass. We're going to hit OK, and we're going to hit Shred Files Now. And it's going to ask me, are you sure you want to shred the files? We're going to hit OK. And just like that, the file is completely off our system. And that's how easy it really is to delete a file off your system to make it unrecoverable. And that would conclude this tutorial. If you guys have any other questions for us, comments, or suggestions for tutorials, feel free to visit us at AskAComTech.com. And thanks for checking out this video.